Okay, hello friends. I think you can see me now. Oh, sorry, I'm not very healthy at the moment. So if you go to my channel, we should be able to see the video, right? And I guess this is the one. Yep. So I have no idea how it works. this button. Click this button and ask them if you can help as a remote volunteer. So now what I'm looking for is, yes, this stuff. Oh, and by the way, yeah, so this is important as well here, okay? So they have this thing there, and this thing, and obviously video, and LinkedIn, okay? And these are your entry point. Because just by seeing these icons, you can say that, well, they're very serious about Instagram, okay? And they're very serious about Twitter, they're very serious about YouTube, they're very serious about LinkedIn. Now, so, oh, Amanda is a legend. She created it all. Or maybe she, which is even better, I don't know her story, but I would assume she felt the need of community for such an organization as Open UK. So, and she made it happen. And she's an amazing person. She does so many things. She's doing all this open source stuff. And on the top of it, if you think that's not big enough, and I don't know what is big enough then, on the top of it, she's also like talking to the world about autistic people. Less than a third of us is employed, and she's talking about it openly. She's not afraid of anything. So, wow, respect. Now, let's see platform engineering. So who do we have here? So, okay, so we have Chief Open Source Officer. Just reading this stuff makes you better. I had no idea there's such thing as such position as Chief Open Source Officer. Less than a third of now, of course, I want to connect with Liz. Well, I want to send her a connection request because I normally do it to people when I can contribute to something. So if I attend, or when I attend her talk, then I will send a connection request and say that what I liked or what I didn't like about the talk, or what I agree or I don't agree. But besides that, I will just follow, because I don't want to be, this person who sends connect requests left and right. I think there's also limitation for connect requests. Let's assume it's 50,000. So I'm creating a movement of several millions, I guess. But I guess it would be nice. We have 2 million of followers, and not followers as such, but it would be nice for me to know that I helped a few million people. That will make my life worth more for myself. Now, Carla Kagini. Sorry, Carla, if I mispronounce your name, first or last. So, head of content, events and community content solution, and Nick. So, yeah, that's interesting. So, they will have a talk on platform engineering. Let's see what is the link there. So, you can see Open UK here, Instagram. One day when it will open, one day I will buy myself a laptop. And you know what? I'm afraid I really don't like to spend money on it, but I really need a laptop. Yeah, it's two parts of me fighting, but like I cannot take money from my family and just for my laptop. But it's to help you, but then it's okay. Yeah, okay, I will sacrifice more of my time somehow, and earn money somewhere, and then I'll get a laptop so I can help you friends better. Now, let's see. So basically what I was speaking, that we can take a look at this platform thing, and so you can see my screen, right? So that's platform engineering track, right? This one. And it's on the ground floor, which means it's big, very big. So there will be quite a few talks, okay? And there will be Kubernetes. So Kunal, if Kunal is not there, I will be very surprised. So friends, give Kunal a shout. Like, I'm actually now I want a selfie with Kunal. Yeah, and a sticker from him. And when I buy my first MacBook, I will put a sticker either from Eddie or from Kunal, or both of them. There will be first stickers on my beautiful new laptop. Anyway, let's see this stuff. So the open source tools, enable platform, blah blah blah. That's all important. I just want to save time. Okay, connectivity, observability, onboarding, guidelines, guardrails. So onboarding of open source, that's important, all right? Because how will the company move to open source? Because that's quite a big. We are not talking here, by the way, of like adding one open source library. We are talking here of a huge shift in mentality of companies. We are talking here, I would assume, of companies actually moving their infrastructure to open source and clouds and stuff, and beyond, maybe moving their products to open source. There are quite a few of the companies who did it. It saves money, but it takes courage and time and money. So yeah. So that's the platform engineering. That's their website on LinkedIn. You can see it. We can subscribe, and we should, and put a bell there. And this is beautiful. This is your opportunity. This is your time to shine. Look, 124 subscribers. That means, and these videos, this stuff will be extremely high quality. This stuff is extremely needed, okay? You want to grow fast in open source, or I don't like this idea of growing fast, okay? You want to start delivering more and more and more value in open source without all this red tape stuff, but just going there just for it. Follow this channel. Follow this channel. There will be value left, right, and all around you. All you will need to do is listen and write about it, and maybe try a few things. Probably it will be more like theoretical stuff. No, it will be like high level stuff. Maybe they won't show you the code, but this stuff will be extremely important for open source community, like extremely important. And wow, sky's the limit. So what I will do here, actually, I will actually go to Hyperfury, and I will actually write a post now. If it ever opens, because of my connection stuff. But actually currently the connection should be fine. Because why? Because I'm recording to the drive, well, USB stick, whatever. Okay. Now if we go for the button here, there should be a button here when it appears. Oh, I need to open this thing. Okay. What do you one of the best? What is the most efficient way to bring value to open source community? Well, here is one of many examples. OpenUK generates amazing content here, and there are only 5 people subscribed. Okay, HTTPS. So you might generate amazing value by just watching. Okay, we need now we need like second thing. Okay, we can do this thing, this one, and here I actually wanted to go here and go here and take a picture. because you can see from there how great this stuff is. Okay. Sorry, this stuff is slow. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have. So I think the picture has been edited, but I want this picture here, not there. Okay, I don't want this one. I don't want this one. I need to replace it. So yes, it generates content, and here I want this thing. Okay, thread down, down, down. Okay. So just be ready to watching the videos and creating content about parts you loved or didn't will make a huge contribution to the community. No luck. I am very happy for you and a little bit angry. I wish I had this opportunity 20 years ago. Okay? I wish no, what was the name of this guy who is like jumping there and where is my text now? Oh, that's in the queue, right? So if they, so this tablet is killing me, like seriously. But I cannot afford 1,800. Maybe I should go for like maybe I should go for. Okay. Where is my message now? Let's see. I thought I didn't click the button in Compose. Okay, I thought if I click this one, okay, so I still didn't remove it. Okay, that's good. Word docs. I think it was from Word docs. Okay. I want like positive here, not the stuff where he's like. Happy. Okay. Docs. Okay, let it be this one, okay? Okay, and that is that's our app community, and that was open source. Okay, and yes, so we'll add it to the queue. Now, to be honest, I can publish it now. Yeah, I can add it to the queue. I want it also to go on LinkedIn. Okay. What is carousel? Okay, I don't know this carousel thing, so we'll test it later. But we know that this stuff is there, and maybe Facebook as well. Okay, doesn't really matter. We'll just add it to queue now. I've spent enough time because sorry, that's I'm autistic. Okay, 1 second. I need to stop this thing to shut down video and sound so I can take a maintenance moment. Thank you all. I'm back. Now, if you go back here and we go back to this one, so now that was just one of the threads, right? That was just, well, if you can say such things. And by the way, open the case also, and it only has 52 followers here. This is another amazing opportunity, right? So I would even probably go for like notifications or something. Yeah, I'll do it later. And this one we did, and Twitter obviously I'm subscribed. And now obviously subscribe to Amanda Brook, okay? She does so much. You will grow as crazy, and also Amanda can use some help in terms of and this person, Sal Kim, if it's like Sal deserves a monument, okay? Like on a train station or something, because it's Sal who's one of the reasons I'm still alive, and it's Sal who helped me to find my passion for open source and helping people. So yeah, thank you, Sal. It's not the story, but thank you. So there's this panel for open hardware, okay? Open hardware. This one, they have a track, and you can go through the open hardware track now, okay? And you can just read it, and you can just follow the people and generate questions in advance. And there's the same on security, which is Sal, and this is important, right? And Sal is yes, Sal is big in security, like really big. And Nether as well. So you see, open source is huge, but if you stay there long enough, then you start seeing same faces all the time. It's not bad, it's just life. You start seeing people who care a lot and who can afford like caring, because a lot of people care, but not everybody can afford doing it all the time. So that's interesting. Now there's government law and policy. That's interesting, all right? A lot. That's interesting, a lot. Legal track. So yeah. So to be honest, like, what does it give to you in this entrepreneurship and in conference? Oh, this one I would definitely go to. Okay. What does it mean to you? That's fine. 1 second. One moment, temporary break. All right, now we are back. So yeah, and this stuff. So entrepreneurship will be extremely interesting. So what I would suggest, wherever you are, get few friends, so you don't do it all alone. And each of the friends take one track, okay? 1 or 2 at most, ideally 1. And monitor it. So I'm not sure how digital tickets will work, but probably you'll get video access. So concentrate, let's say, on entrepreneurship, right? And concentrate on entrepreneurship and like all the 4 platforms there, what's happening there, especially Twitter. And just be there, this bridge connecting 2 parts of the world. And that would be amazing, because let's say, so let's take Bilal. So the problem is, it's not the problem with Bilal, he's a friend. But the thing is that Bilal can do so much, so I'm like a bit torn apart, like which parts he will do the best. Maybe entrepreneurship, maybe, because in a state of Pakistan, there are so many smart people who are not yet in open source, who are not yet earning those good money and paying taxes, so government can build quality schools. So yeah, so maybe entrepreneurship, maybe Bilal, a friend, maybe you could own this one and manage a team of who can run the other ones, and just having a chat here and there, in lunchtime, how is it going, and then just go to Twitter and just write about it on the day, and before the day investigate your track and create materials about it. Okay, so create this stuff, like just tweet about it, tweet, and they've got the open data thing, they've got open source, they're monitoring that stuff. There is a hashtag on the day which will be there. I think it's this one. I think it's this one, SoCon23. Okay, with a hash, and yeah, I think it's the one. So and of course, absolutely subscribe to Amanda. She's amazing. Amanda is amazing. So subscribe to her. And to be honest, if you have a luxury of concentrating on one track, then you can actually talk to these people before, or at least you can read their bios. So for example, if you're talking about entrepreneurship, which is a huge topic, because any country, each and every country in the world could benefit from people doing entrepreneurship the right way. Sorry, I need some hot water, my throat is killing me. Okay, it's not hot water, it's chocolate, it's cappuccino with sugar. Not something I should be drinking, but still. So here, read about these people. Read about them in advance. In order to get here, they must be the best in the field. And by the best, I mean like around the globe. Alright? Oh, friendly face. Hi, Jonah. So yeah. So just do it. And that is big. If you do it the right way, I cannot say that sky is the limit, because you'll go so far beyond it. Because if because of you, because you went to entrepreneurship, if because of that few people become entrepreneurs in your country, it will be amazing. Because entrepreneurs, they bring job places, and job places bring money, and maybe some slight change in some values, or maybe appreciation of existing values. And you help somebody to become an entrepreneur, and then this person builds a road with his taxes, or builds a school or something. And the same goes for all the other topics. So yeah, now I'm going to round up, because, well, I need to take care of my child, and also I'm not even sure if this stuff is being recorded, because I've been speaking for 35 minutes, and I don't know if it's being recorded, because I don't have much trust in technology, because it's this tablet which is not designed for that, and it's a USB stick which is definitely not designed for writing a video. So let's see. Anyway, I will make a how to call it, premiere out of this, I think, and then we can discuss it on YouTube. So live long and prosper, friends, and these opportunities I share today, they're amazing, they're beyond amazing. So let's be there. It doesn't really matter where you are on the globe, and maybe the further from the conference the better, but you should be there, absolutely should be there. See you, friends. Bye.